Do you like to always be on the cutting edge of technology? Do you want to push your self-consumption to the next level? Sounds like you're ready for Sungrow's EV charging solution. Before starting the installation, read the safety instructions in our manual. Ensure that a 30 mA Type A RCD is installed and that the respective circuit breaker is safely isolated before you begin installing the AC charger. Also, make sure that the AC connection cable and RS485 communication cable have been correctly installed prior to the installation of the charger. All screws, dowels and the mounting plates required for the installation are already included in the delivery. You only need your own installation tools. The AC charger should not be directly exposed to harsh weather conditions like heavy rain or snow. With an IP65 rating, the charger is water and dust-proof, allowing for outdoor use. In this video, we will show you the wall-mounted installation. There is a pole-mounted option also available if you prefer. Just follow the instructions for the pole installation in the user manual of the delivery package. Use a spirit level to make sure the position of the backplate is horizontally aligned and mark the drill holes with a pen. Using a 6 mm bit, drill a 45 mm deep hole into the wall markings and insert the plugs into the holes. The screws and plugs for mounting the backplate are included in the delivery. Place the backplate on the wall and tighten the screws with a screwdriver to secure the backplate. And off we go! Let's start with the bracket installation on the AC charger. First, place the charger up on a soft ground to protect the surface. Fix the upper and lower mounting brackets on the back side of the charger by screwing with M4 screws. Then, remove the back cover plate and with a screwdriver loosen the M3 screws. Insert the AC cable into the charger through the AC cable gland located at the bottom. Cut the cable to length and remove the insulation to expose the bare copper. Using a crimping tool, secure a ring crimp to the end of each cable. Connect the crimped terminals to the corresponding main terminal and tighten them with an M5 screw. Secure the back cover with the tightening screws. Hold the charger with both hands to make it parallel to the wall surface and hang the AC charger with the pre-mounted brackets on the wall mount. Fasten the brackets with screws. Let's continue with mounting the charging cable bracket. The charging cable bracket should be installed near the AC charger. Use the spirit level again to position the charging cable bracket properly and mark the drill holes. Using a 6 mm drill bit, drill a 45 mm deep hole into the wall markings and insert the dowels into the holes. Tighten the screws with a screwdriver and secure the charging cable bracket. Et voila! Your AC charger and charging cable bracket installation is done. Let's proceed with the communication link between the AC charger and the hybrid inverter. Use the enclosed cable gland to connect the communication cable with the AC charger. To do this, insert the Ethernet cable through the gland at the bottom of the box and plug it into the charger. Tighten the cable gland on the AC charger. Use the other end of the cable to connect it to the hybrid inverter. Disconnect the communication connector and insert the RS485 cable. Connect both RS485 communication wires to the communication ports A1 and B1 and plug it in. Now the AC charger and hybrid inverter are ready to communicate. If you're installing the 7 kW AC charger in combination with Sungrow's single-phase hybrid inverter, you need to connect the same ports A1 and B1 for the RS485 cable. After the installation is finished, switch on the circuit breaker to power up the AC charger. The blue LED indicator on the charger will start flashing slowly, which indicates the standby status. There are different status descriptions of the LED indicators, which are explained in the user manual. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the iSolar Cloud app and that all devices, especially the hybrid inverter and the YNET S communication device, are updated to the latest available firmware on iSolar Cloud. The AC charger will be automatically recognized and visualized in our monitoring platform. The additional AC charger applications, icons and options then will be displayed. Please note that only the end customer account has full access to the AC charger visualization for selecting charging modes and start or stop the charging cycle. Now everything is set up and ready to be connected. Plug in the Type 2 connector of the AC charger into your electric vehicle and select the preferred charging mode on the iSolar Cloud app on your mobile device. To start the charging process, you have to push the green start button. You can also start up your AC charger without iSolar Cloud app by using one of the included RFID cards. Just hold the card on the front cover of the AC charger to start the charging cycle. The electric vehicle will react with clicking noise of locking the Type 2 connector and will indicate on the car itself with the respective LED feedback. The AC charger will communicate a successful started charging cycle with the LED indicator on the front cover by the flashing of the blue display for 1 second on and 1 second off. If you want to know how to install the hybrid inverter and Sungrow's residential battery, you can find detailed commissioning videos on our YouTube channel. Sungrow's AC charger is also available as a standalone product. The installation process remains the same. Only for the commissioning, you need to use its own app, iEnergy Charge.